Hello guys, in this video we're highlighting the Mirka DEOS 353CV Vacuum Orbit 3.0, a lightweight and compact sander perfect for dust-free or dustless, sanding on all kinds of surfaces. The Mirka DEOS 353CV is designed to be used with vacuum extractors, such as Mirka extractors, to keep your workspace clean and dust-free. This sander is ergonomic, easy to hold, and lighter than similar products from competitors. And this tool will enhance your services significantly. Customers will recognize your expertise and efficiency. Additionally, the dustless technology shows you prioritize their health by eliminating dust clouds in the workspace. The sander has an 81x133mm pad and a 3.0mm oscillation, making the sanding process more efficient, easy and fast. It maintains a consistent speed between 5,000 to 10,000 RPM, powered by a 250W motor. With its low vibration levels and symmetrical design, this tool is built for prolonged use without causing fatigue. Its compact and ergonomic design makes it incredibly easy to handle and use. This unit will also increase your value in your client's eyes. Purchasing this tool will allow you to look more advanced, capable, and ahead of the market. For more information and to see the full range of options, please refer to the product description section.